In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to apply for a job at Lidl. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, head over to the official Lidl Careers website for your country, browse the available job openings or use the search bar to find positions by location, job title or department. Click on a job listing that matches your skills and interest. Read the job description, responsibilities, qualifications and benefits carefully. If you'd like to apply, click the apply button. Create a Lidl Careers account or sign in if you already have one. Complete the online application form by entering your personal information, work experience, education, and availability. Upload your CV or resume and any other documents requested, such as a cover letter. Review your application to make sure all the information is accurate. Submit your application and wait for a confirmation email. If your application is shortlisted, Lidl's recruitment team may contact you to arrange an interview or discuss the next steps. So that's all for this video. This way you can easily apply for a job at the Lidl. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.